Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can reverse money on Capitec app. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. So first of all, open up your app, then sign in, and after signing into your account, you will be able to find the option of transact. Just click on it, and after that, you will be able to find the option of debit card. Just click on it, and this way you would be able to see all the transactions from your debit card and just click on any of the transaction. And after that, you will be able to find the option of stop on that particular transaction. Just click on stop, and this way you would be able to reverse the money on Capitec app. So that's basically how you can reverse money on Capitec app. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.